Welcome back to my channel. This is the second part of the yard sale haul where I was able to get some really nice stuff for my greenhouse, but I also scored free plants. Yeah, they just wanted to give me free plants because I was looking at pots and stuff, and then I would go into, yeah, I have a greenhouse, you know, like because people would wonder what am I purchasing this for. I'm like, oh, this would be so nice in my greenhouse. So once they knew, they're like, oh, well, I have this, I have that, would you like that? So I just went to a yard sale not too far from my house, and they're selling their home. It's a 3-acre property, really nice, and next to his fence they have tons and tons of cactuses leaning over. So he said, I had told him that I collect them. He goes, oh, would you like some cuttings? I'm like, sure. So he gave me some cuttings, also some cuttings that were in his yard laying around. So this one was laying down. This one was laying down. He said that it does bloom, but I don't know. But I mean, it's free. How can I say no? So I'm gonna plant it and see. It does look a little bit, you know, distressed. I might cut it a little bit higher just because I don't like the brown part, and I'm sure it's gonna grow. I have to let it callus over and then I'll grow. I think this is the kind that people used to graft on them. I'm not sure. So anyway, so that was pretty cool. It has crazy roots everywhere. So I'm gonna inspect these for bugs, but there's just an ant crawling on it, carrying some food. Let's see if it's gonna, okay, ow, it's poking me. So this one is a pretty big one. Let me put it on the ground there. I know, what is that, like 6 inches? So that's pretty. Ow, poking myself. Garbage day, trucks going by. So I got that cactus, and then so here's that one. So cute. I would say this one's like 3 inches. It's so cute. And he said, oh, sorry guys. Okay, sorry. He said that they bloom, so that's exciting. The spikes hurt. Okay, let's see what else he gave me. So that's a big one. I would say that one's also 6 inches. So I was so lucky today. I felt so blessed, people giving me stuff. That was so nice. And then the next one I never thought that I would bump into and someone offered to me. It is a little stressed out, guys. It's a Hoya. I don't know the name of this one. I know there's different types of Hoyas. It does look stressed out. I don't know if it's meant to be this color, or if it's a variegated one. I am not sure. But I'm gonna clean it off, throw away the dirt, and put it in a new pot, and probably bring it inside and do some research on where they should be, because I've seen a lot of people keep them inside. So I just have to look into it and see what's the deal. And I'll have to rinse off the leaves very well just to make sure they're not carrying any bugs. And that's it, guys. That is it for this free plant haul. So excited for all these plants. That's the other one. And that's it, guys. That is it for this haul. I hope you guys get inspired to go do yard sales and see what you guys may find. And if you guys do find stuff, find me on my Instagram and send me pictures of what you guys purchase and find. It's so exciting to see what people find. And my Instagram, I changed the name so it could be easier. So pretty much the Succulent Greenhouse, just like the name of my YouTube. So you'll be able to find my channel much easier. You guys, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.